In the triangle PQR, KL is parallel to QR and HL is parallel to PQ. If PK is to KQ equals 2 to 1, state the value of each of the following ratios. PL is to LR. So PK is twice as long as KQ. Now what the actual length of PK is unknown. All we know that it's twice as long as KQ. But we know from a previous result that if a line in a triangle is drawn parallel to one of the sides of the triangle, then that line divides the two sides in the same ratio. So PL divided by LR will also be 2 over 1. So this ratio here is 2 is to 1. Of course PL will have a different length from PK, but PL will be twice LR. Well, in general PL will have a different length from PK unless the triangle is isosceles. Now we want the ratio QR is to RH. Now we have this line here drawn parallel to this side of the triangle. So we know that if we take this distance here and divide it by this distance here, we'll get the same result if we divide this distance by this distance here. But this distance divided by this distance is 1 over 2. So RH divided by HQ is also 1 over 2. Or we could write it like this: RH is to HQ equals 1 is to 2. But we want QR over RH. I'll indicate that in black. So we want this distance here, QR, divided by QH. Well, that's actually 3 over 2. So the ratio QR is to, we want RH actually, excuse me. Here's RH. So it's 3 over 1. So if we take the distance of R to H as being 1 unit, then the distance of R to Q will be 3 units. See, this is 1 unit, say. Then this will be 2 units. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3 units. So we could take RH as our basic unit. That means the distance of R to Q will be 3 of those units. Be 3 times RH. We know that because the distance from here to here is 2 times RH. So we add 2 RH onto 1 RH, that gives us 3 RH.